Welcome everyone. My name is Hemu. In this particular lecture, we are going to discuss how to do the installation of WinSCP software. And because we need this WinSCP software to upload the images in your eVenG, I will show you how we can do the installation of eVenG client pack. Why I'm saying this client pack? Because it have a multiple software in it, like your Wireshark is there, VNC viewer is there, your putty software is there, multiple software will be there inside this particular eVenG client pack software, and we will going to do that installation. And after that we will also do the SecureCRT installation. In last lecture, as you know, we have done the eVenG installation, right, where we have downloaded the image of eVenG and we did the successful installation. Now let me just show you. Let me do the installation of WinSCP first. So if you want to do the WinSCP installation, what you need to do, you have to go here. You can type WinSCP download. Go into this official site of WinSCP, download this software. Download has been started, and let me just put this software on my desktop so I can later just, or let me just put here. Okay, this download has been completed. I'll go here, and now what I'll do, I'll just double click on this software. It is asking install for all users. Yes, I want to install for all users. Click on yes. This is the user agreement. It is just a normal installation. I want a typical installation, which is recommended. Install. See, installation has been succeeded. Finish. If you don't want to use WinSCP, you can also use the FileZilla. There is a one more software called FileZilla, but I am a big fan of WinSCP. Now, if you will see here, WinSCP has been downloaded. It just installation is also done, and you can see you will get this particular prompt. And guys, let me also tell you one more thing. Let me just look for one application called Putty. I'll open my Putty application. And if I will type here like 192.168.137.50, by default SSH is enabled on my eVenG, so I can able to do the SSH on the IP address of eVenG. Accept the public keys and login. Username is root, password is, I have changed the password, so I have just put that password. Now you can see I have just got the access of my eVenG via SSH, and if I can able to access from here, I will not cancel it. I'll just keep like that. Now let me just make the connection. 192.168.137.50. Username is root. Password is, let me put the password. I want to save this session. Login. Accept the public key. Password, you have to put the password again. You can see I got the access of my eVenG. Now here we have a 2 panel, right? Now here I have a 2 panel. This panel is your local PC. This is my local PC panel, and this is the eVenG panel. Means here we can able to see the files of eVenG. Let me go here. Let me go into this desktop lab setup. You can able to see these are the things I have on my local system, right? And this is my eVenG full eVenG. Here we have a dot slash. You can able to see all the things here with regards to eVenG. That's how we have to make the connection. That is how we have to make the connection. Now we will upload all the images from your local PC to this particular eVenG. How to do that, I'm going to show you. For now, I'm just terminating this connection. Now let me just show you the next installation of next software, which is EVNG client pack. How to do that? So I'll go here into this download section. You will get here Windows side client. So you can search for Windows side client. You can click on integration pack link. Go into this one, because I always use the Google Drive one. Click on download. Now download will start for this software. It's taking some time. It should be fast actually. If this will not work, then I'll go into this link. Let me try to download like a standard downloads. It is initializing the download, and download has been started here, but the download is a bit slow. It's around 61 MB of file, right? So from Mega it is working, but this link is also works. You can see I can go and save. Now Google Drive is also started, and Google Drive 1 is done. This is also done, right? This is the one. This is still doing. So I think Mega is done, right? So not an issue. We just need that software, right? This is the link for that. Now you can go here. Go here. Now you can do one thing. You can basically go into this EVNG client pack. Just do the installation. Right click. Now you have to press yes here. Next. This is the user agreement. Next. It will install the Wireshark, Ultra VNC as well. It do have a like putty, P-Link, Ultra VNC wrapper, Wireshark wrapper, all these things. Next. Finishing the installation. Now see, you will get this option. Now it is trying to do the installation of VNC viewer. Language English. Next. I accept the agreement. Next. 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 Create a desktop icon. Next. 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 I don't want to see any available version. So now Ultra VNC installation is done. Now it is just throwing this message to do the installation of Wireshark. Next, next, next. I want a desktop icon for Wireshark. Next, next. Install this npcap as well, because npcap we need for Wireshark to work. Next. Install USB pack, but this USB pcap, if you will do, if you want to capture the things in your USB port, that time you can basically run this, but I don't want to do that, because otherwise I think I have to reboot my system. So USB I will not do that. Go here and do the installation. User agreement, accept this agreement. Next. Nmap organization, it is just downloading some details, some packages from the Nmap website. Nmap we will use for the capturing the information. Nmap is a very powerful tool for that. In Kali Linux we used to basically use that tool. Next. Next. Finish. Now we have done the installation of EVNG successfully. Now if you will go here, if you will start, if you will open, this time you can see it is opening in your putty now. because we have installed this evng client pack. If you will not install that pack, you will not able to open these devices. I can do one thing. Let me stop this. Let me add one more node here, because this is the only virtual node I am having. I will add one more node and I can just connect them. So you can see this plug icon. This is how we will use to connect. Now you can, like, if you want to start both nodes together, you can go here into more action, start all nodes, stop all nodes, wipe all nodes. I want to stop all, start all nodes. If you want to take the console of both the devices together, you can just click on console to all nodes. It will open the console of both the nodes. I think only one console it is able to do that. Let me console to all nodes. Cancel it. Looks like some issue. So the better you can click on this, and it will open to putty section. To putty session, and you can able to basically see the, okay. If you want to do the capture, you can right click and you can basically start your Wireshark as well. So let me start the Wireshark. You can see I'm trying to open the Wireshark when I'm trying to capture the packets, right? I'm trying to capture the packet, but you can see access deny. This access deny issue you will get because by default it will use the default username and password. Default username is root and password is eb, right? But we have changed the password, right? What I did, I have changed the password. So if you are able to get that particular error message, what you need to do, you have to go into your C drive, program and files, evng, and here you will able to see wireshark dot, you will able to see Windows 764. This is the registration entry, wireshark.brepper, open with notepad plus plus, and because you can see here it is using the default username is root and password is eb, because I have changed the password. So let me just configure that password, and let me, this is the password right now for root user. Click on yes, control s, I have saved it. Go here, close it, double click. Now you can see it is connecting when I have clicked on this wrapper file. Now you can close it, and this time if you will start your capture, your Wireshark will open successfully. You can see TCP dump it has run in a backend. Your Wireshark is also started. If you are able to see this thing, which means you are good to go. Means we did the installation of evng correctly, WinSCP installed correctly, and your evng client pack is also installed correctly. Now let me just do the installation of SecureCRT. Now guys, this SecureCRT is a paid software, but I'm having on my system the crack version of it, so I will use that particular software. So for that I have to go into this SecureCRT. In this SecureCRT, what you can also able to download the SecureCRT from my Google Drive. In this test PC and servers, I have uploaded the SecureCRT. This is the one. Okay, you can download. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. You can able to see SecureCRT. You can just go and here just follow these instructions how to install the software. Obviously we have to install the software in normal way. So we have a SecureCRT, this one. You don't use to install these ones, okay? These are not related to SecureCRT. This is the SecureCRT one. Select this and do the installation. Click on yes. It is just trying to prepare the installation. Next. Accept the user agreement. Next. Affect all users. Yes. Next. Complete installation. Create a program group for SecureCRT as a desktop icon or shortcut. Next. Install. Deselect all these options and finish. We have done the SecureCRT installation. Now, because if you will open the SecureCRT, you can type here SecureCRT. If you will open, click on OK. So it will ask you to enter the license data. And if you will enter this license data, then only it will work. So what you need to now, you need to do, go to into crack folder to copy the content from SecureCRT to the installation directory and confirm the replacing both the files, right? So before doing this thing, you can just cancel it, close it, check into your tray. We don't have any SecureCRT open anywhere. Go to into this crack. We have installed this 64, right? Go to into this cracks. SecureCRT. We have a 64 one as well. SecureCRT, right? Copy both of these files. Go to crack folder, copy content from the SecureCRT to the installation directory and confirm replacing both the files, right? So these are the two files which you need to copy. Control C. Let me go into the installation directly, which is in C drive. Program and files. Go into this program files 86. VNDK. VNDK, where is this one? Epic pen. Is it there in this folder? Yeah, here we have. This is the one. Go into the SecureCRT and let me just use this one. Control C. Control V. Replace the file. Continue. Do this thing. Now use the exact full information in key.txt inside the SecureCRT folder. Go here. Copy this data. Go here. Open your SecureCRT. So I'm getting the error while I'm trying to open this. Run as administrator. Click on yes. Let me go into 64 one. SecureCRT. Just copy both of these. Looks like I have replaced the wrong files. Replace them. Now open SecureCRT. Now it is getting style. You have to upload like everything from the crack 864 bit. Enter the data. Click on yes. Now enter the data here. So you can copy that data. Control C. Control V. Next. Has license and permission is accepted. You can go here. Without a configuration password, I don't want any password. If you want, you can put the password. So whenever anyone use SecureCRT, he needs to enter the password. Click on OK. Click on OK. You can close now. close this as well. You can close this as well. And right now you can see I am able to open the secure CRT successfully. Close this as well. Close this as well. Let me open the secure CRT. It is opening, which means we did the secure CRT installation correctly. You can see now. Because if you want to use the secure CRT, like whenever you will open these console like this, right now they are opening in putty, right? If you want, they can open in secure CRT. What you need to do, you have to basically go to into the C drive, because now we are seeing the how to integrate your secure CRT with EVE-NG, right? So we whenever we will open any EVE-NG nodes, it will open in your secure CRT. So you can go into your EVE-NG folder here, and you can able to see this SCRT. You can go and just click, hit enter, just like double click on this one, click on yes, click on yes, click on OK, and now we have just successfully integrated the secure CRT. Now open. Still it is opening from here. Now let me just do one thing. Let me log out. Let me log back in. It is still opening this in putty only. Let me go here. We have a secure CRT. Added with notepad. This is the registry, secure CRT, everything is fine. Click on yes. Adding information can unintentionally change or delete your values and cause component to stop working correctly. If you do not trust the software for this information, do not add it into the. Are you sure want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. The keys and values contained in this has been successfully added to the registry. Click on OK. If we have successfully added, then it should basically, let me stop. Let me add a new BPC. Let me start. Let me open. Yeah, now it is basically asking to basically pick an application. So I think this is on my another screen. It is coming on another screen. Just give me a second, guys. I'll click here, pick an application. Let me stop share. Let me just start sharing my first screen. So if I'll click on this, pick an application, you can see I get this secure CRT. I will select this and always use this application. And now you can see I got the access of WinSCP. If I will open this and this as well, if I will click on yes, it will open. Now see, everything is opening in the same window. So this is how we can basically integrate your secure CRT, guys. That's how we have to integrate TR secure CRT. I have a multiple screens, right? See, I can able to open everything just in one window. So this is how we have to integrate our secure CRT with EVE-NG. So let me tell you what we did so far. We have completed the EVE-NG installation, guys, right? EVE-NG installation is done. Somehow my Epic Pen is not working. I have to relaunch this. Somehow it is not working. Okay, not an issue. I have closed. Let me open. No idea what's happening. Okay, cool. So what we did so far, we have basically done the EVNG installation successfully. Then we have done the WinSCP installation successfully. We have done the EVNG client pack installation successfully, and we have completed the SecureCRT installation successfully. And also we have basically integrated our SecureCRT with EVNG. Now in next lecture, we will see how to upload Palo Alto image in your EVNG, how to upload router image and switches images, Windows images, Kali Linux images, Ubuntu images, Parrot Linux, Checkpoint, Fortigate images, then SD-WAN and other images, how we can import. Then we will see how we can build the lab. Okay. So these are the things which we are going to discuss in your next lecture. So guys, that's it for this particular lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we are good to close this particular lecture. And guys, thanks for watching this lecture, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care guys. Bye.